Hello all, and welcome to Tech Corner hosted by Nude Computer Guys. My name is Alex, and today I'm going to show you how to cut yourself out of an image and place it in front of a background so it looks like you are in a place you might have not actually been. So in order to do this, we're going to use two programs. One, we're going to use Pixelmator, and the other one is we're going to use Photos. So if you don't have Pixelmator installed, you'll want to go ahead and install it through the App Store. I believe it's also available for Android devices as well. And I will provide a link down in the description as well. So if you go ahead and open up the Pixelmator, this is kind of what the app will look like. And then the first thing we're going to want to do is we're going to want to go ahead and click on the little Photos icon in the upper right hand corner, as you can see. And we're going to go ahead and select a photo. We're going to go to our favorites, and I'm going to go ahead and select the photo from the Trevi Fountain. And there we go. Now, the next thing I want to do is I want to go ahead and select the photo of myself. So I'm going to go ahead and hit plus, go to Photos, go to Favorites, and then I'm going to go ahead and pick the photo. Let's go here. So now we've got our two photos. So now what I'm going to do is I'm going to hit the little brush icon, and there's an option that says select, and I'm going to go ahead and select the thing that says select object at the top. Alright, and then we're going to go ahead and do let's see, if I press and hold this, I'm going to hit copy. I'm going to go ahead, click it again, press and hold. Let's see if I can see my layers here. I'm going to hit deselect. So just make sure you just deselect. And I'm going to hit paste. And now I should, there we go. So now I can delete this photo of myself. And now here I am at the Trevi Fountain. And then I can kind of make it bigger, adjust it, and there we go. So this is a simple and easy way to place your image of yourself in front of an object. Now there's one other quick and easy method, and for those of you that have seen my stickers video, we're going to use kind of this exact same process. So what I'm going to do is I'm going to go ahead and I'm going to delete this. I'm going to go ahead and kind of push my dock up. I'm going to go ahead and get my photos up here. I'm going to go here to my favorites. There we go. I'm going to select the image, same image. I'm going to press and hold this. And then I'm going to go ahead and drag this out, let go. I'm going to click on the little three dots. I'm going to hit close. And that is a quick and easy way for those of you that are on iOS devices to cut yourself out of an image and put yourself in front of the background. So hopefully you found this tip helpful. If you like this, feel free to put a thumbs up. If you're interested in further content, feel free to subscribe to our channel, and look forward to seeing you next time. Thank you so much.